Hi, I'm Sasha. In today's mini Spanish lesson, we're going to practice the rolled R in Spanish. To practice the rolled R, first let's find out about how we position our tongues in our mouth when we say it. So the position is very similar to the position of the soft T in the word water in English. Listen, water, water, water. So with the soft T in water, right? Not water, but water. Your tongue is on the roof of your mouth, just behind your teeth, but before you get to the ridges. Okay? Let's say it a few times just to get accustomed to the position of our tongues. Water, water, water. Okay, now that we have the tongue position, let's work on rolling it, trilling it, and extending it, okay? You have to relax your mouth and your tongue as you say water and just let the air make your tongue flap, sort of like a flag in the wind. Okay, let's practice. Water, 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 water. Okay, did you get it? If you didn't, keep practicing, and if you did, good job. So that's the sound, that's the position of your mouth and the sound that you're aiming for when you say the rolled R in Spanish. In Spanish-speaking countries, there's a tongue twisters that parents teach their kids to help them practice the rolled R in Spanish. So let's practice this tongue twister. Repeat after me. R con R guitarra, R con R barril. Rápido corren los carros, rápido el ferrocarril. Okay, if you like this video and you want to see more mini Spanish lessons, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.